Okay, so this is where we at right now. As you can see, I have him completely dismounted. The reason being is because we have a broken VAT system. I believe it's the module itself is broken, and I'm trying to figure it out. I did the resistor, but it doesn't do anything, so I unplugged it and soldered the wires back together so it's back to stock. The reason why I did that is because I can, when I plug in the key and into the ignition, I can read the resistance on the key on these wires. So therefore, there's no need to put a resistor in here when I can read it there, right? That means that the sensors still work in the key and in the column. So I plug that back in together. This guy here is my problem. I believe this is broken. When I press it, I can crank the car and it's gonna start and then die in 2 seconds. So I ordered a new relay from Napa. I'm gonna play with these wires, shorten them down and solder them together so it looks much better than it does now. On this side, I open up the panels and I check the computer, the ECM or ECU or PCM, whatever you call it. And what I found is that there is no signal going from the VATS module. There should be a signal to the computer saying it's all good, but there's nothing, absolutely nothing. But the computer itself has power. I checked that. So either there is a hidden relay or fuse behind here, but I don't feel like really opening the whole dash and digging for that module. I don't know, I have to see what other options there is. But yeah, can't do anything really when this car is not running, right? And it's minus 20 outside right now with 20 inches of snow. Fell down a couple days ago, so I can't do anything, but you can see the inside. So bad. Also, I need new T-tops because these ones are ruined. They were fine when I got the car 2 years ago, but this is what happened to them. It like corroded or something. I have no idea what's happening here. So I'm gonna change these into the glass ones. This is the what you call it, plastic. I guess plastic. So I'm gonna change them into the fiberglass. Also, I need another gasket here. Didn't come with the kit. I thought it would be, but it didn't come with it. So I need that. It's the engine bay. I don't know, guys. Maybe the alternator is broken. The voltage regulator inside.